Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to turn off read receive on your WhatsApp. As you can see, when I'm check out message showing it to blue tick, I'm easily turn off this. I'm provide iPhone and Android method. 3 line. If you want to use Android and settings. If you want to use iPhone, press on settings, privacy and privacy. Scroll down, you get read receipt and you get this option. Make sure to turn off when you turn off this. And let's try to conversation. When I'm check out this message, as you can see, not showing it to blue tick. Okay, I'm already see this message, but it's not showing it to blue tick. That's it.